How to connect Instagram account to another Facebook account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To connect your Instagram account to another Facebook account, you need to head over and launch a Facebook app. Now in here, make sure to log in with the Facebook account with which you wish to connect your Instagram account. Once you have logged in, tap on the three horizontal lines that you see in your top right corner. From here, scroll down and select on Settings and Privacy. Tap on the Settings option. Now at the top you will see the Meta Account Center. Tap on here. Then under Connected Experience you will see the option Sharing Across Profiles. Tap on this option. Now over here select on Add Account. This will redirect you to your Instagram. So now what you need to do is just go ahead and enter either of your phone number, username or email address associated with a particular Instagram account. Then enter the password of your Instagram account and click on the login button. Once you have pressed on login, now your Instagram account will be connected to this particular Facebook account. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try. Thank you so much for